today Mario Draghi announced the ECB plans asset purchases of 60 billion euros per month. This is through September 2016. What does this asset plan mean for U.S. markets?
Well, I think, first of all, it gives people some confidence that they are doing something to try and fight deflation. That's the big issue. And, they have pretty much the same goal as we have here. 2% inflation is their goal. And so this has been one of the problems that the markets had, a lack of visibility that we've had for the last few weeks. One of them was, what would the ECB do? Another one is coming up on Sunday when you have the Greek vote, which also affects what's happening over there in the Eurozone. And people expected something like this. They pretty much got what they expected. So, but I think what people are not really looking at as much is the last part of Draghi's statement, where he says that monetary policy can only do so much. He didn't use that phrase, but he said that countries have to also support this with fiscal policy, and that's one of the most interesting aspects of the great experiment that the euro really is because you've got a currency that you've got monetary policy, but unified monetary policy, but not unified fiscal policy, which means taxing and spending. You've got 19 different countries. They all have different taxing issues, other issues like pension issues. So that creates problems when some countries aren't doing so well and other countries are subsidizing them. The people in some of the countries, like Germany, most specific example, don't want to subsidize pensions for people in Greece where they feel they're not as productive. So this is an issue that's going to go on for a long time in the Eurozone and for the Euro. And I think that longer term they will come about getting a common mind on these issues. And the ones that don't want to have the same mindset will conceivably leave, like Greece. But it's impossible for them not to have unified policies. They've moved a little bit towards it. For example, in banking, they do have bank regulations are all following the same oversight measures. So that's one way they're moving towards it, but it's going to take a long time, and the issues pop up when there are problems in the economy, and that's what they're going through now.